Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Khushbu and wishing you all a very happy Makar Sankranti, Pongal or Lohri, whatever you all are celebrating. Uh, Today exactly 14th of January hai and I've gotten all ready to go on the terrace and sort of see kya situation hai and yeah, I wanted to do a Nika haul quickly because I have ordered a few things from Nika. It's been 2 months or more that I haven't shopped from Nika and इस बार मुझे कुछ चीज़ें मंगानी थी. So yeah, shopping has happened and और ये मेरी एनिवर्सरी मंथ है तो थोड़ी और शॉपिंग होने वाली है. तो आइए शुरू करते हैं. First, I will unbox this small little box. I have opened up all of the stuff, of course. बट या नायका की सबसे बेस्ट बात ये है कि उनकी डिलीवरी बहुत फास्ट होती है. लाइक 2 दिन में तो डिलीवरी हो जाती है. So first I have called for this LA Colors eyelash and this is how they look. मैंने ना like I don't know how to wear lashes and I've never worn one. I think I just wore once in my lifetime, once or twice. But वो भी पार्लर वाले आंटी ने करके दिया था. So I really want to try them. And that's why I called थोड़े सस्ते वाले पहले मंगाए LA Colors के. So yeah, they also have a glue and let's see how they look on me. I would try this on my anniversary and tell you all how it is. ये है 350 के है and I think they're pretty nice, like they're not very out there but still gives you that extended lashes that you need. So ये first चीज़ है my eyelash. Oh, I always wanted to do this one. Let's open this box. ये वो चीज़ है जिसकी वजह से मैं नायका में चीज़ें देख रही थी. So this is my this is the Ken face razor pack of 3. ये मैंने आपको I showed you in one of my Nika hauls and this is an amazing product. I think ये कुछ 150 का जैसा है. It says 199 but it is I think for 150 I bought. I will have to check कि इसके क्या प्राइसेस है कभी. But yeah, around 150 to 190 के बीच में आपको मिल जाती है. So this is pack of 3, really good, really amazing for shaving your face, upper lips, eyebrows, everything. So I got 2 for Mezu. माई कज़िन उसने मंगाए थे 2 और एक मेरी सास ने मंगाए थे तो उन लोगों के लिए है ये तीनों पैक्स. मेरे आई स्टिल हैव माइन तो मेरा अभी एक ही यूज़ हुआ, एक माई मम यूजेज एंड आई हैव वन स्पेयर वन. तो या दे वुड लास्ट यू गुड टाइम. तो ये 3 चीज़ें थी रेजर्स. देन आपको याद होगा तो आई हैड कॉल्ड फॉर द मिस क्लेयर lip liner in this nudish pink color last time or I loved that. It's really good. So I thought let me try one more. So I called a pinkish one and this is called Kiss Rose. ये भी 65 का ही है. Like हाँ, this is for 65. Really good quality. So if you want to not spend too much on lip liners but really have a nice pinky lip effect, you can use Miss Claire ones. तो दूसरा मैंने ये मंगाया है. I feel like a beauty blogger when I show you things like this. And then, okay, so ये चीज़ मुझे कब से लेनी थी and if you know me और अगर आपने शायद नोटिस किया होगा, I always change my nail paint once a week and I love nail colors. Like ये एक चीज़ होती है जो मैं हमेशा particular हूँ. So I wanted to try the matte one, Nika की. This is how it looks. And ये आज ही मैंने अप्लाई किया है. As you can see, they are nice and matte. थोड़ी सी शाइन है but I don't mind it. They look very posh and rich. So I love it. I'm gonna definitely see दूसरे शेड जिसमें ये थोड़े से महंगे हैं. Like not very महंगा but like they are normal जो आपको 80 तक की मिल जाती है उससे थोड़ी ज़्यादा महंगी है. But I think it's totally worth an investment. Yeah, the shade name is a Black Sesame Pudding or Pudding, no pudding. Focus is not happening clearly, but it's called Black Sesame Pudding and it's a beautiful matte black nail paint. तो इस बार ना मैंने ऐसी ही चीज़ें मंगाई क्योंकि मेरे को मेरी सास और मेजू के लिए रेजर्स मंगा रहे थे. So I thought, I don't need anything, I just needed one moisturizer. बट आई वॉन्टेड टू ट्राई 2-3 चीज़ें जो मैं हमेशा से अपनी विश लिस्ट में रखी थी, जैसे लैशेस हो गए हैं या ये ब्लैक नील पेंट है, तो ऐसी चीज़ें थी, तो वो मैंने इस बार ट्राई करी हूँ फाइनली। और जो मुझे और एक चीज़ जो हमेशा से ट्राई करनी थी वो है लेंसेज। मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में कभी भी लेंस नहीं पहने हैं बिकॉज आई हैव ब्यूटीफुल ब्राउन लाइट ब्राउन आईज, इफ़ यू कैन टेल। You can't really. But I have nice and light brown eyes, so I never needed them. But I don't know why. जब से मैं 35 की हुई हूँ, I feel like I need to try out everything. You know what I mean? So, anyways, सबसे सस्ते और अच्छे थे वो ये पैक के हैं कॉन्टेक्ट लेंसेज, and I've called for brown, but they are little hazelish brown. And yeah, this is one pair. This is how they come packed in, and they are for 220. So I think ये भी मैं अपनी एनिवर्सरी में ट्राई करूँगी, and I'll tell you how they are. Yeah, so that's about it. ये वाले बॉक्स में भी. So now I have just one thing remaining, which is the most expensive in this haul. That is my. This is that moisturizer जो मुझे चाहिए था, and this is the most expensive thing in the entire haul. It is the Clinique Moisture Surge. बहुत ही मिनी है ये, like when it came home ऐसे पैकेज करके आया था नायका लक्स के ब्लैक बॉक्स में, and this was the only thing inside, and it looked so tiny. It is very tiny. So ये मैंने यूज़ करना शुरू कर दिया है. This is how it looks. It's a very nice gel-like formula. Smell बहुत ही clinical smell है. कुछ doesn't have any added fragrances, which is good. But it does make skin really nice and smooth. एक अच्छा सा layer बन जाता है. But I don't know if I love the gel-like formula or not. I'm still on the fence about it. But this retails for $8.90. And yeah, I really wanted to try the mini, and अच्छा हुआ मैंने बड़ा वाला नहीं मंगा लिया directly. I tried the mini, and now I can see if I really like the gel one or not. तो ये जब खत्म होएगा तभी you'll see a new moisturizer. I have finished about 3 to 4 moisturizers in winters. Now finally हैदराबाद में थोड़ी थोड़ी गर्मियाँ शुरू हो चुकी है, so I don't have to worry about moisturizers anymore. अभी मैं I can go for a more running one as well. And yeah guys, that's all the things that I bought from Nykaa. So if you enjoy makeup shopping or enjoy shopping from Nykaa, do let me know in the comments. और कोई ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो मैं wish list में रख सकती हूँ. And last but not the least, I called for a Miss Claire matte and peachy gloss. This is how it looks. I'm not wearing it right now, but it's a nice, जो ये color दिखता है ना, exactly it is that color, and it is in a gloss format, really nice and creamy. And I have heard so many things about Miss Claire lip creams, so I really wanted to try one. And gloss is perfect now for the coming season, so I got this one. This is really good, and this was very economical. I think this was for 125 or something. 150 के तक के अंदर ही था. I'm gonna put the price on the screen somewhere. So this was everything that I got from Nykaa. And if you love watching hauls, or if you love watching Nykaa haul, then please like this video, share it with your friends, let me know what are some more things that I should try on. And yeah, that's about it guys. I'm gonna see you all very very soon. Shop my wardrobe from Plus Wardrobe, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.